ConvertKit is your go-to platform for creators looking to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and memberships. It stands out with its easy setup, flexible pricing, and automated delivery. Perfect if you're avoiding complex e-commerce platforms. As of December 2025, ConvertKit integrates seamlessly with payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. It offers user-friendly tools and saves you time with AI-powered features for product upsells. With enhanced integrations with tools like Zapier and WooCommerce, ConvertKit is a strong choice for solopreneurs and small businesses to sell digital products online. The selling digital products capabilities have been expanded to better compete with Gumroad and Teachable. Setting up your digital products starts with linking your Stripe account for secure payments. Next, create your product details in the Products tab and use tags to segment your buyers for better marketing. Set up automation rules to automatically tag buyers, send confirmation emails, and add them to email sequences. Build sales pages using ConvertKit's visual editor, integrating product buttons for seamless checkout. For pricing, ConvertKit supports one-time purchases, subscriptions, and tiered pricing models. Importantly, ConvertKit doesn't take a cut of your sales, so all revenue goes to you, minus the payment processor fees. Delivery is fully automated, providing buyers with instant access through email links. You can customize delivery with drips for timed releases or bundles to encourage more sales and reduce customer churn.